Behind me is the Library of Celsus, the third largest library in the ancient world, and it's really an incredible structure. What Paul would do is he would come here to this library behind me and he would reason with the people, not just conversing on the street, but he was talking to people in a way that academics and the gospel would go hand in hand, and it would happen right here in this library behind me. Paul was able to do this because he wasn't just a guy off the street. He was a guy who had grown up under some of the best teachers in the land. I mean, he was brilliant. He was conversant in academics, and we see in Acts conversant in poetry, and he understood Greek culture, and he understood the scriptures as well. And that allowed him to come here and not just talk on the street, but talk in the libraries and the places of learning. And you know, today, God's still calling people who will not just read the scriptures, but people who would go deeper, people who would learn culture, people who would learn academics, and to be able to converse with people in places of learning. Some of you, maybe God has called you to this today, and I want to encourage you, do it. Go deeper. Learn as much as you can, and you can be one of those people like Paul who's able to take the gospel and academics and put them hand in hand and reach people that nobody else could reach with the gospel.